trust me, the Forex space and in extension, the propfirm space is actually getting interesting by the day. Of recent, we started seeing some brokerage firm putting up their own propfirm. And you see, almost everybody in the Forex world actually embraced that development. But you see now, we have a reverse case where a prop firm is now putting up a brokerage firm. And here, which prop firm are we talking about? We're talking about Hola Prime prop firm. They now have a brokerage that is called Hola Prime Market. I think this is actually a good development. For me, I think this is actually the first prop firm that have decided to come up with a brokerage firm, right? So we're going to be going into the video proper, and we're going to be looking through the website of this particular brokerage firm to see if it is a fit for us. All right, we're going to be looking at their spread, we're going to be looking at their regulation. Okay, is it regulated? We're also going to be looking at a whole lot of things concerning this particular broker that is called Hola Prime Market. Okay, now if that sounds good, let's get into the video and dissect all we need to know about Hola Prime Market. All right, let's go. Okay, so guys, this is the website of the broker. Okay, so you can see here Hola Prime Market. Okay, see here it says upgrade your trading experience. Now, if you take a look at this website, for me personally, I think this website is worth laid out. All right, now one thing that actually caught my attention also about this particular broker, okay, is the fact that you can trade a whole lot of stuffs here. Okay, commodities, Forex, you can trade stocks, you can trade cryptocurrency, a whole lot of them. All right. So if you look at this kind of stuff around this individual here, okay, this ambassador Carl Anthony Towns, you can see here Bitcoin has 100 and all that. Okay. So what are we going to be getting from this particular broker is what we're going to be looking at. All right, you can see from sign up to trade, or you can do that just in 30 seconds. Okay, but for me particularly, I'm always concerned about what's the need for me and my audience. Okay, so what we're going to be doing next is to go check out the different kinds of accounts that this broker actually offers. Okay, so if you come up here, you're going to be seeing that they have right from standard to raw spread and then the VIP account. Okay, so you see, you can choose from the best trading accounts that actually suit you irrespective of the kind of a trader that you are. So let's start with the standard. Now, the standard, if you take a look at it, is zero commission. Okay, just minimum spread of 0.8 pips. I think that is quite good, right? Just 0.8 pips. That is quite good. Now, who is this kind of account meant for? Personally, I believe this kind of account is meant for beginners, okay, and intermediate traders, okay. But if you check down here, they say it's perfect for beginners also, right? Like I rightly said, perfect for beginners and casual traders, okay, with simple and cost-effective entry into the market. So if you're a beginner, this is the account for you, all right? Then we'll take a look at the second one, which is the most popular one, okay? Now, this is the one of raw spread, okay? Raw spread, meaning this is not going to be cost you any pip. You're just going to be paying $3 per lot commission. I think this is also quite generous, just $3 per lot commission. Now, what is this one built for? It's built for scalpers. If you're a scalper, this is the account that actually fits you, right? Because you're not going to be paying for spread. You know, as a scalper, someone that goes into a trade quick and comes out of a trade, if the spread is quite expensive, then it's going to cost you a whole lot, okay? So all you just need to pay is just commission of $3 per lot, all right? This is the very account that is meant for you, okay? So you can see they say it's built for scalpers, algorithmic traders, and strategy-intensive professionals, all right? Now, let's take a look at the VIP. Now, if you're a VIP trader, there's also something here for you. Now, take a look at this VIP trader. Minimum spread 0.0 pips, and the commission is just $1 per lot. Well, I think this is quite good, right? 0.0 pips and just $1 commission per lot. Best suited for high volume active traders who want to maximize efficiency through low cost. Okay, so you can see they have three accounts here, like I rightly said. At least one of these three, one should suit your trading style, and you have to be the one that will find out the particular one that actually fits your trading style and you're going to be going with it. Okay. Now, there's something else we're going to be checking out. Broker regulated. Okay. So you can see they say they are regulated by Mauritius Financial Services Commission. Okay. So you can see it here. And if you want to check their license, you can just come down here and check it out. Okay. So you know one thing about me, I always like to advise traders if you're going to be using any platform, all right, most especially in the FX world, in this propfirm world, FX world, always make sure you go to the website and check things out for yourself also. Okay, so you can see here, this is their regulation certificates. You can just click here, you can get that. You see, ensuring ethical and responsible trading. You can come down here and read a whole lot about that, which I'm not going to be reading because it's going to be taking a whole lot of time in this video. Okay, but here we can see that it's actually the broker is actually regulated by Mauritius Financial Services. All right. Now, also we're going to be looking at, like I rightly said from the beginning of the video, the different kind of assets that you can actually trade on this platform. Okay. You can see US 30, you can see Forex, you can trade all the pairs under the Forex market, stocks, you can trade Apple, Google, and all that. All right. Then down here, you can see crypto and all that. And as 100, you can actually trade all those assets under them here. Okay. So then I say, why trade global market with HolaPrime? Here you can see a whole lot of reasons: regulated and secured, deep liquidity, and low latency. Now, low latency is something that you have to consider whenever you're going to be choosing a broker. Okay. Because if a broker doesn't have a low latency, you can take a trade at a particular level and the trade will not be executed on time. Okay, it's going to draw you down before the trade eventually execute, and you know what that is going to do? It's going to cost you. Okay, so here they say they have deep liquidity and low latency, multi-asset assets on a single platform. Okay, like I rightly said, a whole lot of assets you can actually trade here. I'm going to be making a whole lot of videos concerning this particular broker. Okay, as I trade my experience, I'm going to be sharing it with you, my audience. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you get a whole lot of details as time progresses with this particular broker. Okay, and also if you scroll down here, you're going to be seeing that they have zero commission. Okay, like I rightly said, if you're going to be depositing, you're not going to be paying any commission, and you can see the leverage, 2000x leverage, right? So don't, for me personally, I understand that this leverage is quite huge here, but don't be too greedy and take advantage of the whole leverage at once, all right? Just make sure you take advantage of the leverage that you know is okay for you. But it's a good thing that they have a very good judicious leverage for us. You can see up to 2000x. That is quite huge, okay? Now, you can see the micro lot is 0.01. So if you a micro trader, probably you don't like taking big lot size, you can take the micro lot size as little as 0.01. Okay. Now, if you want to start probably with a demo account, you can also start. If you want to get a real account, you can get started. Okay. So down here, you're going to be seeing that they have a free demo account for you. If you decide, okay, fine, you want to start with demo account, then also you can just get started with the speed of light and just open your account and start trading with your Ray funds. Okay. Now, let's check out the difference between Hola Prime Market and some other brokers that we have here. You can see the deposit of when you're going to be deposit on this platform is going to be very, very fast. Like they said, you can see instant easy wallet deposit. Okay. Now, when it comes to withdrawal, the withdrawal is actually within 1 hour, right? I've traded with a broker in the past where I made a withdrawal and the withdrawal took like 4 or 5 days before I actually got my withdrawal. And for me, I don't think that's quite interesting. And for most of you traders that like getting things done on time, I don't also think you're going to be buying that idea of waiting for 2 or 3 days before you get your withdrawal. But Hola Prime is telling us here now that just an hour, you're going to be getting your withdrawal in your wallet or in your bank accounts, whichever means of withdrawal you're going to be using. Okay. Then also here you can see you have bonus. As soon as you're depositing, you're going to be getting a bonus, okay, to help you keep your accounts going. All right. Then they have free VPS and execution speed, free deposits. You're not going to be paying for deposit actually. All right. So you can also come up here, like I rightly said, and check a whole lot of stuff probably that I didn't cover in the course of this video here. Okay. I think the website is actually well laid out. So it's very, very easy for you to navigate and check out things for yourself. All right. So you can use their MT4 and you can also use MT5, okay? Most of us like using MT4 and MT5. For me personally, I like using MT5, and thank God they have MT5 here, okay? So like I already said, make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be making more videos concerning this broker as I trade and as time progresses with them, all right? Anyways, I just want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video, okay? And also remember to follow me for more, all right? I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take care of yourself and bye-bye for now.